Mitsubishi Motor Philippines is giving its after-sales arm a new name, which is more like a slogan: Mitsubishi Motors Cares. But it is more than a slogan. According to Mitsubishi, rebranding its after-sales service arm signifies a recommitment towards a better vehicle ownership experience. Mitsubishi Motor Philippines President Takeshi Hara describes the rebranding as making customers remain worry-free and confident that they are leaving their vehicles in the best brands whenever they enter Mitsubishi service workshops. Takeshi Hara adds that Mitsubishi wants to provide utmost driving pleasure, safety, and satisfaction not just through the product itself, but also in all aspects when it comes to after-sales. Mitsubishi Motor Care centers around three key areas: convenience, reliability, and time. Convenience offered by the Mitsubishi Service Connect app that allows online bookings with records of registered vehicles easily accessed by owners to ensure specific needs are met in and outside of service shops. Reliability comes from ensuring availability of Mitsubishi genuine parts and accessories. Time means ensuring speedy yet efficient action through Mitsubishi Quick Service, which guarantees the periodic maintenance service is completed within 1 hour from the issuance of repair order until the vehicle release.